friends, in this video I'm sharing with you two recipes. Yes, I'm making two different dishes. A sweet Malaysian dessert, black glutinous rice porridge, and the other is savory snack, chickpeas garnished with some spices and dried red chilies. The three basic ingredients for today's recipes are black glutinous rice, green beans and chickpeas. All of these have to be pre-cooked first. The cooking time for black glutinous rice, green beans and chickpea is very long and takes almost an hour. However, pre-soaking them for a few hours will cut down the cooking time by half, besides increasing their nutritional value. In this video, I will share with you the technique of how I cooked all three ingredients in the pressure cooker at the same time. This technique reduced my cooking time so much that I could easily make 2 or 3 dishes, all in the time of making one dish. Besides, I had lots of hands-free time to do other work. No stirring, and yes, no burning too. Like me, I am sure you will find this technique useful too. Be smart and minimize cooking time wisely. To make the black glutinous rice porridge, we need to pre-cook the black glutinous rice and the green beans first. For this recipe, I am using 1 cup of black glutinous rice and a half cup of green beans. The green beans I am adding is to thicken the porridge. Here, the green beans I have already washed and pre-soaked them for 5 hours. I just washed and did not pre-soak the black glutinous rice so as to retain as much of its natural color. Black glutinous rice is naturally colored dark purple, that is almost black. Pre-soaking washes off its natural dark purplish color. It is said black glutinous rice is rich in antioxidants and higher in fiber compared to white rice. Add enough water to cook the rice and the green beans. Adding pandan leaves gives the porridge a nice sweet aroma. The leaves were twisted and knotted to release the flavors easily. Add the second cup of water. To make chickpea savory snack, the chickpeas have to be pre-cooked first. The chickpeas were pre-soaked for 6 hours before cooking. Since the cooking time for black glutinous rice, green beans and chickpeas is almost the same, I decided to cook them together in the pressure cooker. I separated the chickpeas by using another container with a lid. I arranged the container in the pressure cooker as shown. Add half cup of water to the chickpea container and close with the lid. Finally, the pressure cooker lid was locked in place. A cooking time of 4 whistles from the pressure cooker is enough time to cook all 3 ingredients. It took me about 14 minutes on medium heat. The chickpeas were cooked to perfection, soft and easily pressed with a finger. The black glutinous rice and the green beans too were cooked to a soft mushy consistency. Now, our basic ingredients to make black glutinous rice porridge and the chickpea savory snack are both ready. The chickpea savory snack can now be prepared in a matter of just minutes by garnishing with a few ingredients. Garnishing the chickpeas with onions, dried red chilies de-seeded, curry leaves, and the right spices gives it a wonderful aroma. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add the spices into the heated oil. When the spices start to crackle, add the onions and then the red chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. When the onions turn a golden brown color, add the curry leaves. And finally, the boiled and drained chickpeas. Tasty chickpea snack is now ready for the taste test. Now, let's see what my dear husband has to say about this chickpea savory snack. Enjoying it? How does it taste?
It's very nice.
Now, my next recipe is black glutinous rice porridge. This is a very easy and simple recipe to follow. Once the black glutinous rice and the green beans are cooked, the porridge can be put together in a matter of minutes. Using the same pan on medium heat, add first enough boiling water to make a thick or thin porridge. Remove the pandan leaves. Add salt. This is followed by the palm sugar. Once the palm sugar has melted and the porridge is bubbling, add the coconut cream. Add little or more cream according to preference. This porridge always gives me sweet memories of my childhood, especially during the rainy days when my mother used to have this ready for us when we returned from school. Its taste and its flavor is still fresh in my memory. I prefer my porridge more creamy, so I am adding extra 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. That was real quick and easy. Our glutinous rice porridge is now ready to be enjoyed. What I love most about this porridge is its striking color and its creamy, sweet taste. The black glutinous rice, moreover, gives the porridge some bite to it. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Be smart and minimize cooking time wisely.